The first bit I did was create a player and boundaries for the player to stay in. The movement wasn't very good, but I was yet to add acceleration and later friction. I have to say that Heartbeat's tutorials were a massive help here, and if you're learning Godot, then I recommend his videos. The graphics were mere pink and red squares, but for a project like this, it didn't really matter. As far as sound was involved, there was none. The game isn't polished at all, if you can even call it a game. The next thing I added was more pink squares, which deleted themselves when you touched them. It felt unnatural, so I made the player's velocity change to a negative number when it enters the fruit hitbox. This is also when I added friction and acceleration to the player script, making it a lot more natural. Now, rather than coming to a complete stop, the player slides. I think the numbers were a bit too high, and at certain times you can't even control yourself. Experimenting with Godot groups, I added a node that kills the player. What's great about groups is that I can add the fruit to the murderer group, and it will also kill the player. This mightn't seem like much to a Unity or Unreal user, but to someone who has only used VS Code to program, it seems amazing. I finished by adding this beautiful background, removing the top wall and adding a camera to the player. This was a short video and I really thought it would be longer, but I plan on doing a new proper game. I will learn as I go. Whenever there's something I want to do and I have no clue how, I'll just look it up or watch a tutorial about it. Then, in future when I'm doing other stuff, I'll know. Look at this cool video.